lovelies, and welcome back. So today we're going to be doing this table set up. It's a white theme, and yeah, it was fun doing this. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Kindly comment below your ideas and what you think about this table setting. Is this something you're willing to do for an intimate dinner with friends, or maybe your partner or something? If you're worried that, oh, we can't go out and all of that, but you can just get a few items online and just, up your dining experience at home and just have fun with it. So I'm just gonna put up this LED lights, and I have champagne glasses. I don't have red wine glasses. I only have one red wine glass, so don't mind me putting champagne glasses for a red wine. Yeah, that's just what I had to work with, since it's a two person table setup. But apart from that, I really love how this turned out. It's so gorgeous. Like, I would really love a table setting like this to have dinner, and it's just super beautiful. Hope you guys try this out, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Till my next video, bye. Just enjoy the view of this amazing white setup. Bye guys, thank you for watching.